Sarah, it doesn't look like the cruise lines will be resuming sailings anytime soon after the CDC extended its no-sail order possibly till mid-July. This is a devastating blow for an industry that was looking to get some of their ships back to sea by mid-May. And historically, the third quarter is when the cruise companies generate most of their revenue, as nearly all geographical regions are open for sailings. And the more time these ships stay idle, the more their costs go up. SunTrust analyst Patrick Scholes estimating a $900 million cash burn for Carnival, which is the largest cruise operator. Today, they canceled North American sailings through June 26th. Now, the cruise lines are now working with the CDC to address how they handle potential COVID-19 cases on board, strengthening their isolation techniques. But certainly, this is going to be a developing story here as we try to see how the cruise lines try to reinvent not just their brand, but also update their safety guidelines. Guys?
Seema, this is one of those industries that you really hear two sides, bulls and bears. They differ so widely. Some thinking that the companies are not going to survive, and others saying, you know, cruises are American, they're going to come back, and they're the cheapest deals. The stocks are down, what, 70 to 80% so far this year, even with an enormous rally last week. Where are the analysts, and where are you hearing investors in terms of what they think is ahead, and what's moving the stock on a day-to-day basis for these companies?
Yeah, this is one sector that has been hit really hard, Sarah, by the coronavirus, and also obviously seeing a number of cases on board and how they handled those situations as well that attracted a lot of negative tension. Here's where experts are at. One, addressing the liquidity concerns that many of the cruise operators need to do. You've seen Carnival be very successful despite its issues, raising money in the debt and equity market, more than $6 billion, also getting a foreign investor, the Saudi Sovereign Wealth Fund, on board, disclosing an 8.2% stake. And that, to your point, has been one of the reasons we've seen a relief rally in the cruise lines. The question now is, how long will it take for these cruise lines to get back at sea? And once they do that, how long will it take for consumers and Americans across the nation to feel confident about getting on board? That's something that we'll have to see in these new guidelines the cruise industry is expected to unveil in the coming weeks. And that, of course, will be top of mind.